Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package, so let's open up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this in the box here. Vacuum cleaner dust display lamp. Very small. Okay, we have alcohol pad. And installation instructions. Some adhesives here. Here it says application plate. More stuff. It's a QR code for installation tutorial. Have a instruction manual and more pads. And we have the actual light. It already has a battery installed. It has an extra battery here. You pull this. There you go. There's a light. And you should be able to see some dust. Not sure if it's on my table, but yeah. That is it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.